How to log in to Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download it from the official source before continuing. Once the app is open, tap on the profile or account icon labeled as Me, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select the option to log in. You can log in using your phone number, email address, or linked accounts like Google, Facebook, or Twitter. Enter your credentials carefully and tap the login button. If you are logging in with email, enter your email address and then password and tap on Login. After successful login, your account will be active and you can start following channels, subscribing to creators, and enjoying your favorite videos. You can also explore settings to manage notifications, update your profile, or adjust preferences for a better experience on Bilibili. Now you know how to log into Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.